Okie dokie, today I'm going to show you how to turn these concrete bags that are hard from the rain into something that you can use instead of throwing them away. Now that I've got all this kind of busted up into smaller chunks, I'm going to start rolling these chunks out and separating the fine stuff from the chunks, and we're going to break these chunks individually, and it should start to look like this back here, which was a very low spot. This is about 15-20 bags of concrete, 80-pound and 60-pound. So you can do this with concrete right from the store or hardened concrete like I'm doing, and just bust it up, and you'll see how I do this. Okay, now that I've spreaded all of the smaller stuff around and shaped it the way I want it, now I'm going to start busting up all these rocks with the sledgehammer, and then I will spread that. Okay, you can see now I've leveled the driveway the best I can by scooting all that around, and I busted it up the best I can. Now, what I'm gonna do now that I've got all that drug out and I'm happy with it, I'm gonna go ahead and get that water hose over there. I'm gonna set you down. I'm gonna start spraying. Okay, all I'm doing is I've got this water hose right here, and I'm gonna spray the drive. Okay, that is all. I am done spraying, and if this video was helpful in any way, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel if you like home improvement videos, and I'll see you next time.